Hey, Casey, I know Kim and I were talking about having a little date day, so, would you mind taking care of our good little alpha to be?
Pretty
Good chance
please.
for him to get along with the, dire wolf.
Yeah, sure. I can watch over him.
Oh, thank you. That's very nice of you.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Have
Yeah,
fun.
we'll bring back some mutton later, and, have fun,
Yeah.
kiddo.
Make sure you get the job done, okay?
Huh?
I will, Mom.
Mom, I told her make
Thanks.
sure you get the job done.
Wink, wink.
What?
Oh, I don't
Not
think that.
job?
I don't think that means what
I
you
need
think
to go
it
off to my
means.
job later, so, come on, honey.
Mom!
Sure,
Mom, I don't
loud.
like him in my territory. This is my territory, not his.
Oh, it's okay, honey. Just for a little bit. What do you kids want
He's
to do?
barking his territory!
Oh, Ian. Okay.
He farted on here!
Oh.
I did not fight.
Okay, kids, come on, calm down. Maybe we can play a game or something.
I'm not sharing my first ball with him.
Okay, that finishes my lap.
Oh, hi, honey.
What? Oh, hi. Well, Ian, what are you doing
Mr.
here?
Hi, Mr. Alpha Wolf.